Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 31st of October, and we are now in our house Jupiter. So, after nearly 3 years, we have to do some repair work because the tiles are kind of getting loose. So, we have to remove them. You see, it's rather easy to remove them. And later, tomorrow, we will put them on new. They all have their number. Here, that's their number 19, 18, so we can put them back in the same sequence. And PGs are preparing it carefully. So tomorrow we will follow the next video and show you how we are putting back the tiles. So that's another challenge here. Here we show you our artwork for the planets of the solar system, including the Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, the Moon, and also the Earth. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So we keep you posted about renovating our terrace here at the Sunny Houses at Samal Island. So that's our little outlook in the garden. Wow, everything is growing so fast. And here you see the beautiful blue sky with our coconut trees. Okay, that was our little outlook from the house Jupiter at sunnyhouses, Thank you very much. Bye bye.